Good afternoon, all. This is Vaibhav, and welcome to the WordPress session. I hope you are all doing great. Today, we will be learning about WordPress, but before that, I have a couple of questions that I would like to ask and see that what percentage of people are going to start with the paid blog and what percentage of people are going to start with a non-paid one. So if I can get a ratio of those who are planning to start with the paid blog, can you write just paid in the blog comment section or in the chat box, please? Students who are willing to pay money. Okay. So I'm first going to talk about the non-paid part so that because that only takes around 2 minutes of our time and people will be able to set it up for free. So nobody will set up an account with WordPress. People will go with blogger.com because you can monetize this content. Blogger.com, you are going to start with your article writing practices. It is one high site given by Google. You have to sign up. In my case, straight away this site appears. In your case, you have to register with your Gmail ID. I already have one account here. And as you guys can see here, Vaibhav Kakkar, when I click here, I have my previously written articles. So you have to simply go ahead, click on the new post part. Title is what you will add here. Content will go live here. To set up the heading part, that goes here in this heading, subheading, minor. So heading is, major heading is head 1. Heading is head 2. Subheading is head 3. Minor heading is head 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They don't have 5 and 6. To upload an image, videos, everything is available here. And it works as same as your normal WordPress account. However, there are few restrictions. Now, to make sure that Google index your content and the strategies, SEO practices, everything will remain same in this case as well. To index, to request Google that my site or my content should be indexed by you guys, you need to click at theme, customize, edit HTML. Then scroll down this page. And here you need to add one HTML tag. So I'll tell you how to verify. There are few tutorials available here. I want you to understand this tutorial. Okay. There are few tutorials given in this particular video as well.
In this video,
you will be able to just walk through with the technical
I'll go through the steps you need to
add in the HTML tag so that you all will be able to set up your free but a functional WordPress account. Am I clear? Liz, do you mind walking through with the first 4 minutes of session? Is this clear to everyone? So free people, the best part is that you will have a functional account with you over a period of time. You can add affiliate campaigns here. You can monetize your content. They allow you to go ahead and add AdSense. Everything is possible with this account as well. So without spending anything, you can set up this account. However, restrictions will be there that you cannot add lead caption and a lot more things that you will realize once you will set it up. But I mean, depending upon what your end goal is, you can pick this. So I think this particular part is sorted for the one who are here to start with the free channel. right? Let's talk about the WordPress. How WordPress works. Medium is again a platform where you can write, but they typically delete accounts in case if somebody makes a complaint, so it's not recommended. With WordPress, there are posts, pages, appearance, plugins, and settings. Now, see, I would like to explain this part very specifically. I want every student here to open his or her ears around it. Some people, what they do, they start with free WordPress. And then what they do, they send emails to me that Weber, your functionality and my functionality are not similar to each other. My friend, I am going to use a paid one. So do not expect with your free account, same kind of thing, okay? Or similar kind of things. Remember, free will not have features. Paid will have features. Okay, what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system. It's kind of a software pre-designed by a developer. Okay. Likewise, like WordPress is one platform, we have HTML-based websites, Magento, Joomla, and there are other languages used by developers. React is another language nowadays. So they develop websites using these languages. Am I clear? Now, what happens is that these websites are typically designed by developers only, but as a writer, somebody needs to submit his or her content. So they need to have one kind of a platform through which they can also write and submit their articles. So for that purpose, we have WordPress because it is already designed. We have to just use it. It is like you have to just assemble some things together to have a beautiful looking website, or you can say a platform where you can write articles and you can monetize your work. Understood, everybody? I hope it is clear to all. So the point is post, pages, appearance, plugins, and settings are 5 areas where the entire WordPress part works. Is it for setting a website too, or only uploading content? Setting up a website too. Our entire website is built through WordPress only. Shivani, do you suggest? Obviously, paid is better. So, okay, let me first set up the format of teaching. Okay, I think this is important. I want every student not to use the chat option. For how many hours? At least till the time I'm not completing my entire subject. Whatever questions you have, please make a list of those questions. There is a reason that I'm saying this. It is very disturbing at times that I have to open the chat, read it, and then again, I'm sure that I'm going to cover that particular thing in the next few minutes. So I want that you just make a list of those notes and do not use this chat part. The moment I'll ask, are you clear? Then just say yes. So that everyone can focus on the learning part. This is technical. That's the reason I'm saying this. Am I clear, everybody? Now you can say yes. So no questions in the chat box. You will have enough time to complete or ask all your doubts. Now pay attention and stop writing. First and foremost, understand how internet works. There is something called domain name. What is McDonald's? They sell burgers? No, it's an identity. McDonald's. What is Pizza Hut? They sell pizzas. There is a guy near to my place. He also makes pizzas better than Pizza Hut or Domino's. But still, Pizza Hut, Domino's, the moment people say the name, it's clear it is Pizza Hut. If you're in Delhi, north part, there is a place, Uncle's Pizza. I'm not sure if you have ever heard about Uncle's Pizza or not. It's in Prashant Vihar. It's not part of Delhi. Believe me, this guy cooks world's best pizzas. You can read about the reviews part as well. But Uncle's is like, I think their name is just Uncle Sip and Bite. Uncle Sip and Bite, yes. No one can just go ahead and get it immediately that who these people are. But when the moment you get this name, Pizza Hut, Domino's, it's clear. It's a food chain. It's basically their identity, the name that reflects their identity. Today, IM Skills is in the education domain. We are famous about whatever we do, not about every other thing like the other players. Those who are quite famous, they spend very aggressively on the money part. But in the end of the day, nobody is aware about, in major cases, the founders and all. They are all aware about the company name. Understand the background. Your identity will be your domain name. Now I'll tell you what I call these people. Those who are actually not ready to spend money. So here you will learn why domain names are important. People are often ready to spend 500 rupees to eat pizza, to spend on bad things. Okay. But if it is about building something for themselves, they don't do this. They are not ready to spend that money. Okay. Why? Because for those guys, opportunities are not clear. Understand, when McDonald's started, they were not sure about it that they will go this way. Pizza Hut or any online, Flipkart, Amazon, nobody. IM Skills, when I started it individually, I was the one. I was the CEO and I was the office cleanup guy as well. So everything it was done by me only, right? Today, wherever we are and wherever we will scale it up, this was not pre-planned. It happened. Can we just take it that IM Skills was the first shot given by me and then everything moved in the right direction? Answer is no. I tried many other things as well, believe me. But the foundation happened where? The name. Those who are from outside India, I'm going to say one line in Hindi, then I'll try to translate that in English, okay? And the Hindi one is that, jo dikhta hai wo bikta. The one whosoever is visible will get sold, right? Am I clear? The most important part is if you're not there in front of people, let's say if you will open a shop, take it like this way, physical shop. Your shop will have a time from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. Then you'll go home. What about the rest of the hours? When you will start an online business, worldwide, your shop is open forever. And how will you open your shop? Do you want your own shop? Or do you want a shop? It's like a flea market shop. Flea market in this context is somebody has given you his or her platform. Okay, you set up something in front of my shop. That's flea market. So it's like webhub.blogger.com, free account. What will you gain? You're working hard every day. Whatever earning you will receive, in the end, somebody else will take it. And then you are giving the other person a power. What is power? Google have a right. They may block you. What will you do in that case? If this is this thing. But if you have your own website, no one can do this with you, right? No matter what you add. They may penalize, but for a short time. After that, you will recover. Are you able to understand this part? And what's the cost of this domain name and why it is important? Just 500 per year. And if you restrict yourself with that particular 500 per year, believe me, as your coach, I'm telling you this, you will never be able to make more than 30,000 rupees in your entire life per month. And why I'm telling you this thing? Because you must know the value of marketing, the value of digital, the value of internet. And if you do not understand that part, believe me, you will still remain in that 9 to 6 cycle. I've been a poor guy and I've been a rich guy. And today I'm rich like anything. Not like the billionaires, but for the next 2-3 generations, they don't have to work. Still, I live a normal life, honestly, live in a 2 BHK simple flat. But I'm telling you this, it all happened because I purchased those domain names. Those names, I still have many websites that I run because of the one thing, I know the potential, the power. So are you all sold clear on this part that why do you have to spend this 500 rupees? Then let's talk about the second thing. What is that second thing? Second thing is host. Now, hosting is important. Why hosting is important? Hosting is a place where you will run a website. People buy iPhones. Why? Because it is fast. You like fast things, right? You like speed, right? You like fast cars, you like fast phones. Nobody like those lazy websites. So remember, when you will buy a good hosting, it should be good. Good means typically I've seen people they're going with GoDaddy. Why? Because it comes at 100 rupees, 200 rupees for a year, 500 rupees for a year. No, crap, it's bad. You must take hosting from good sites like Hostinger, Bluehost, if allowed, SiteGround, Cloud, DigitalOcean, depending upon your pocket size. Amazon, AWS. Why, Webber? They are fast. What are hosts? They run your content. They store your data. They help you to run websites. HostGator is okay. Anything that's on a cheaper side is not good. That's it. For me, it's very simple. Anything that comes at a lower cost is not good. Okay, pay attention. What we have to do, so you have to buy a name, that's your domain name, from where? GoDaddy. GoDaddy is the right place. Buy this. Okay. Then hosting. You can buy from good other companies. Then there is a tutorial in your LMS created by me how to link hosting and domain names. Your WordPress will be like that. Your WordPress website, suppose it's like amarbeer.com. So to access your backend, the WordPress backend, you have to write a website name by default /WP -admin /. This is by default backend URL for any WordPress site. Example, if I have advisoruncle.com, advisoruncle.com /WP -admin. If I have webhubk.com, WP -admin. If I have imskills.com, imskills.com, WP -admin. Am I clear? It is not. You don't need Amarbeer, and stop asking these questions again. I will answer every question in the end, not now. Pay attention. Your website name .in.com, your website, whatever it is, .in.com /WP -admin to access the website backend. Are you now clear? Once you will do this exercise, purchase the name, linked it, backend is ready, you will reach here. So when I'm using one local device here, local is a software that I'm using in my this Mac machine. I will establish WordPress site with this particular local account. Let me first delete old websites. Create a new site. See, you will not get this. This is a local software that I'm using. You will have the next step where I'm going to jump to. You will have site subject with you once you will have your paid blog. So I'll create one website name, content system.com. Username webhub at123 as the username password. Once you will be setting up your own account with hosting companies, they will also be asking you to write your username, write your password, and write your email ID. So do that. In my case, they're asking me to do this. Okay, there is one more question that I should address because I know that people are from different types of backgrounds And some people may understand and some people will not understand. So I think this is important. Let me teach you guys completely as a layperson that you need to know every subject. Go here in.godaddy.com and search for a name. Let's say Vaibhav Kapoor Khanna.com. I have just written this name because it's easily available. So you have this name, make it yours, add to cart, make a purchase. Simple. Now pay attention. Web hosting, I have clicked example of this particular website, or let me take an example of Bluehost. Otherwise, people will be again confused. So Bluehost is where I'm going to land. Now pay attention, this is critical. Hosting, shared, dedicated VPS. WordPress hosting. Okay. What does this stands for? Guys, WordPress as a software is pre-installed with the hosting if you will purchase like this. You don't have to do anything manually that I'm doing. Are you clear? In my case, I'm doing it manually. I'm setting up a local account. In your case, this WordPress thing is already installed by this company. And you're only purchasing the WordPress hosting only. You do not have to install any special kind of a software. So don't ever get confused around it. So whatever, let's say for basic, it's good for you. One website is what you have to run. 10 GB space is good enough. Select, and domain name is also they're given for free. 2.9. So it's like $3, 3 USD to INR a month is like $244 is what they're charging you for in a year. You will spend 3,000 rupees. Not a big deal. You can do that. And I'm sure they will also be giving you some kind of discounts. There is a website name, Retail Me Not. Remember, whenever in life you would like to buy anything internet related, always check Retail Me Not. Here you write Bluehost or GoDaddy, whatever it is. Bluehost, they're very, very famous site. 70% Bluehost hosting plan. Check. No code needed. No. So in that case, it's an affiliated URL, Medium affiliate, Whale Shark. Understood? Basics clear. Now I will click WP admin. See, content system is the website name I've kept. It's a local machine. So in my case, it says .local system .local. If it is a live website, it would have said .com, .in, .net, .org. I have used Vaibhav as my username, Vaibhav as my password. Remember, do not ever give username and password to anybody. If you will do that, your website will be hacked. Cool. The backend, in your case or in my case, it will appear as it is, similar to each other. Universally, it is same. Am I clear? Post, pages, appearance, plugins, settings. Post, pages, appearance, plugin, settings. These are the 5 places the entire WordPress will play as a game. What are posts? Where we write our articles. What are pages? Where we post or submit any of our service page, any of our contact us, about us page. What is appearance? Looks. What are plugins? Apps, extended features for the site. Settings, one-time setup. Simple. So now let me explain you what are plugins, what are settings, what are appearance, what are all things part of appearance. So in appearance, you will have the first thing as themes. What's themes? New look for the website. Theme means pre-designed layout by a developer. And developer can be anybody, you, me, and any person in the world who has designed this website layout and submitted it in the WordPress directory that people can use this layout. Okay. In theme, they allow people to customize that. So let's say this guy likes yellow with orange. I don't like yellow with orange. I like yellow with coffee green. Coffee. If there is a color named coffee green, maybe. I like this color, maybe. Okay. So I can customize. I like font different one, the one he has picked. I like different font. I like different layouts. So they allow you to do that. So customization is a part where you're going to customize the things. Then there are widgets. Widgets are, let's say you have 100 articles written by you, but 5 are your favorite or you receive most of the people as the readers on those top 5 articles. So what happens? You can highlight them. Where? There on the top is header or bottom is footer. Then what happens is that a website, let's say if you go to a restaurant, a chef can cook 100 types of foods, but in the menu they highlight only 20. Does that mean chef cannot cook rest of the 81? No, they can, but their specialities are in those 20 things. What happens here in the menu section? A website can have millions of pages, thousands of pages, hundreds of pages. Amazon may have million of pages, but they highlight only few, right? So what you would like to show in the menu is going to be part of this particular thing. All right. These are all part of appearance. These are all part of appearance. Pages, you are already clear. Article, news, blogs are all part of post. Plugins. You name me the thing. Webhub, I want this thing to happen there on my website. It is available in a form of a plugin. You want to do SEO plugin. You want to send people an email plugin. You want to go ahead, show Instagram page plugin. You want people to follow your Instagram page right from that particular WordPress blog plugin. You want anything to happen with your website, plugin is there. You want somebody's trying to close this particular box, plugin is there to appear in front of the person as a pop-up. You want second time reader to get 10% instant discount, plugin. You want people to fill out form, you receive an application, they get an email form, or everything there is a plugin. Setup is like a new account setup. Everyone will be doing that. So let's go ahead and talk about practical implementation of WordPress. Settings. First subject settings. Content system. Title, whatever you have as a website title, add that. Content writing company. I'm doing this. You have your own call. Whatever you have, do that. Website name. By default, a user is subscriber. People cannot register. Email of your own. US English, UK English, up to your taste. If you're in India, Kolkata, depending upon the location, select that. Time format, date format, week starts on Monday. Save these changes. In writing settings, do not change anything. Everything will remain as it is. In reading settings, do not change anything. Everything remain as it is. In discussions, 1, 2, 3, close these 3 things. Why? WordPress, they will send you email for everything. And trust me, it's very annoying. So I have stopped them not to send me an email. I'll turn this on. I want people to comment on my new blogs. It is very good for SEO. I will capture name and email from the people who are commenting there on my site. Show comment cookie box. Okay. Enable threaded nested comment. They have level from 2 to 10. In this level 2 to 10, what they do, they use some words. If you have added in the comment, they either automatically send them in the spam box or they ask you to approve them. So level 5 is good enough. I don't want an email whenever somebody is submitting any kind of a comment or something. I don't want that. Close this. Comment must be manually approved. Yes, and this one to be off. Some spammers, what they do, initially they write good comments and after that they leave URLs to the porn sites and all such things. And it's one of the way to gain links from other renowned blogs and destroy their reputation and increase their own reputation. As you guys can see, look, personal loan guy, ex-hamster guy, Hammer something. Yeah, these are all spammers, all of them. These are people who are spamming here. Okay, clear? So if WordPress will send me an email for everything, it's annoying. I will select all of these, mark spam. Okay. Understood? So this is what we have done here. Show avatar off. This is part of SEO, and given this class is happening for 3 groups, August, September, October. Your SEO is going to happen next week. Save changes. You will understand this show avatar part next week with me. This done. Close. Discussion in media. No need to change anything. Permalink. No need to change anything. Privacy policy. No need to change anything. Depending upon the blog that you will write, if you're a good person who can write a privacy policy of your website, good. Otherwise, you also have this option, use this as a draft. And there is one by default privacy policy created by WordPress. You can also use that. Come to plugins, installed plugins. There are no plugins, add new plugin. There are 12 important plugins that I have mentioned every website should have. List of tools we recommend you to download. And I have added 12 plugins here. I want every student to install these plugins from this particular list and activate them. When you will search for got MLS, this plugin appears like anti-brute force, something like this. So don't get confused. This is to secure web website from any kind of threat, any kind of malware attack, viruses. Having these plugins are critical, important. Once all of these 12 plugins are installed by you, go to all plugins, select them, activate them. And the most important part is also enable auto updates so that whenever there are any new updates available for these plugins, these can get automatically updated. Vaidehi, if I am audible to you, just rejoin the meeting. Every other person can see the account. Internet is super fast. Everything is good here. Plugins part also clear, settings part also clear. Let's go ahead and talk about post. When you will click here at add post, all post, you will be able to see all the articles so far you have listed. So those who have started writing with us and those who have started with our 16th October batch, you guys will first write your article. This is the place where we add the title. This you will learn better in SEO. However, remember a title, every new word, every word starts with capital. So if it is top 10 digital marketing courses in India in 2022, this will go like this. Now my focus keyword is digital marketing courses in India. So I will remove digital marketing courses in India is only what I'll keep in the URL. Rest everything I'll delete. This is how my URL will appear. This is SEO friendly work. Here I will start with the article. So in India, there are many institutions offering digital marketing courses because the market has emerged and a lot of students nowadays, especially from IT and non-IT backgrounds, they are taking digital marketing as their full-time career. So this statement will be the opening one. You remember heading 2, opening statement. So after writing this statement, you will mention like this, head 2. The opening statement should contain the focus keyword as well. After this, you will have your subheadings. So let's say name of the institutes, IIM Skills, XYZ, Coursera and all. All these institutes are going to be heading 3. And about the company, it's a normal paragraph. XYZ, or let's say here I will write Udemy. Udemy is again heading 3. Then you have frequently asked questions, facts, right? So a question of frequently asked question, example, Which is the best institute to learn DM? This question is going to be heading 4. And the answer for this question is going to be a normal paragraph. Understood? If you have to, if you remember, we have said link one internal and link as maximum in the case internal and external article, but internal, I've asked you guys not to do that because my internal team members are doing it. Externally, if you have to link something. So what happens? External link, select the term. Let's say it is wikipedia.com, done. So this is external link. What you can do in this case, you can edit, go to settings, open in a new tab. This you should always do, because if somebody will click here and your website will be closed and other website will open. So that's a bad thing that's happening with your website, right? Why it is bad thing? Ask yourself this question. Because the other person was there on your blog and you have sent this person to read some other website. It's an injustice with your own blog. I hope you're all clear. SEO part I'll teach you guys next week. So absolutely, Amma. Now what we have to do, we have to also create categories so that you can create from here or you can create from here as well. So depending upon, see, if education is my niche, I have decided to write about digital marketing. I have decided to write about finance. I have decided to write about data science. I have decided to write about artificial, what is artificial technology or intelligence. I've decided to write about, let's say, content writing. These are niches. So this article is about digital marketing, I'll publish. Next article, if I'll write, whatever it is, let's say if it is about data science. Ravi, I want this to be covered in the SEO classes, okay? So most of these guys will get confused if I'll talk about do follow, no follow for now. Next week, I'll cover SEO. So for that, please wait, okay? And with the tool, we can do that. However, if you pay attention to the tools that I have mentioned here, no follow for external link, I've already mentioned that part. All right. I don't want to confuse these guys. That's the reason. I somewhere understand that you understand a bit of SEO. That's the thing. Top 10 data analysis courses or data science courses in India. If this is my next article here, I will add my content, and next time data science publish. Okay, there is one thing that I mistakenly skipped. If you have to upload any media, so go here, add media, file, select desktop, any image that I have. Let's say this is my image. I'll select this image and I'll insert this image. So this will appear. If you have to size it, so you can simply go here, medium, full size, upload, and you're done. Okay, is this clear? My face fat. Oh my God. Thank God that I was able to change myself. You want to see latest me? I'll show you. Okay, this is out of the box. Okay. Latest me, just me. No, not gonna be here. I have lost like around 17 kgs, guys. And this one thing I want to tell to all my students, that health is wealth. Nothing will come to your life if you are not healthy. Trust me. where that's me. And that's new me. This was me in March. And now this is me in the month of November 2020. Full diet. Oh, great, Rubina. Health is well, believe me. Believe me. Okay. No, there are no tips. There are no shortcuts. It's all about healthy diet and exercising at least 2 hours a day. No, I am not going to do that because I'm not that good at it. But yes, I have started taking my health very seriously. This COVID thing was extremely bad, honestly. Okay, that's something personal. I will some other day talk about it. Okay, so now coming back to the images part, if you have to add an image, never upload, not image, never upload a video on your own server. Why? Because it will consume the entire, it will actually go ahead and consume your entire 10 GB, the one that you have purchased for the hosting, and then a load will be there on you. So don't do that. The best way is that upload a video on studio.youtube.com. Example, this is the studio.youtube.com of Iron Skills. It is free forever. Even you will get a chance to monetize. Let's say if this is the video, I want that this video.
Hello everyone, my name is
to appear there on our channel or my WordPress blog. So what I'll do, I'll go here. I'm there on the YouTube video now, right? This is the URL. What do you have to do? Click on the share part, embed part, copy, come back. In this particular box, right now you're on visuals. Can you see this? Visual. Click here and then click text. Leave the script, come to visual again. And the video will not be loaded on your server, and it is now there. And people can play this here as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Sai Kalyan. I'm someone who is like totally new to this finance background.
Understood? No, the video that I've played, Liz, it's not for the purpose to learn. I was just teaching you that how to add a video here. Understood? Quick yes, no, maybe. So now we also have the categories installed. We know how to add or upload images. We know how to go ahead and do this other part. And now let me go ahead and create a page. There are, so in pages and in this particular option, there are no differences. Pages are similar to post. It's just that there are no categories. That's it. So here I'm going to create one page, contact us. Hi. Please leave your number so that our customer care or so that our team can contact you soon. Now here you will capture leads, publish. Now see, there are a couple of learnings given I'm not connected to a server. That's why it appeared like this. Now there is no form added, right? So we will add another tool, add a new plugin. Let's say Ninja form. Whenever you're going to go ahead and install any kind of a new plugin, you can also check their new settings, Ninja form design. Here you can learn about how to design styling of Ninja form. Okay. If you need a styling tool that you can ask me, I will help you to get that. That's available with us. Or forget me. What you should do, most of the free plugins are available here. It's a licensed plugins. that you can install in the near future. What's that site name? gpldl.com. These are donated by people like us when we have bulk licenses. You need to set up an account. Okay, let's not get into the too technical part, else you guys will be confused. You can let me know if you need a styling form to set up your Ninja form. However, let me just show you premium plugin for Ninja form styling. Ninja form styling. Ninja. Ninja form. Ninja form. Styling. Ninja form layout and styles WordPress plugin. This one you can install. Okay. That I know, it's okay. You'll understand everything better. So what you have done, wait, that's the point. I told you guys not to ask any question. Wait. I know my job and I'm a good teacher, trust me. So that's why I'm saying that stay quiet, just pay attention to my screen and focus. This is what you want. I created a page. I said in post, there are no differences. In pages, there is a difference a little bit. In pages cases, I don't have categories. Rest everything is as similar like a post. I created contact us and written a short map here, and I open that contact us page. But when you go to my contact us page, you typically have a form to install. And then people with the help of that form can fill out an application through which they can reach out to you. In this contact us case page, there is no form. So what I did, I created a form, contact us. I'm going to create that edit now. Okay. I installed a plugin named as Ninja Form. A Ninja Form is a plugin that helps you to capture leads. What are leads? Contact details of people. I have your name, number, email. You were my leads. Your lead will be what? The one who will leave details. So go to dashboard. They have contact me form here. If you want, you can edit it. Instead of keeping it contact me, you can keep it contact us. Here people can leave their message as well. You can also add phone number if required. These are the details. And I said there is a YouTube tutorial for the best settings available. Given due to time constraint, I may not be able to cover every detail about each and every topic. But you guys can go ahead and simply leverage YouTube channel too. Because their CEOs, their founders have created these tools and given the best tutorials so that you can edit them. I have got this short code. What is short code? A code that I have to pick, copy, go to my contact us page, edit, leave the shortcode here, update the page, view the screen, and there you have this page. Now, if somebody will write here, Vaibhav, my number, my email, and hello, how are you? Something like this, submitted. Then if I am live with the server, you will get an email, customer will also get an email that, hey, you have sent this inquiry. But given I'm not live, I'm on a local machine, I will not get it. What happens next? You go to submission, select the form. See, you have lead of a person. So what you will do, hey, Vaibhav, you called, you inquired for the course, or you inquired for my service. Yes, we planned for this call. This way it goes. Understood now? Am I clear? So next time, don't ask me questions. As I said, follow me for a few minutes. I know I'm going to describe everything. Now, if you look at it, this is weird, this page. Why this page is weird? No layout, no structure, right? So this Ninja Form styling thing, if you read Advisor Uncle, my blogs, digital marketing courses in Delhi. Okay. If you read my blog, I have installed Ninja Form there. But you will observe my forms are slightly better. Look, is this good? Appearance wise, it is okay, right? Name, email, number. This is again Ninja form. Name, email, number. So for that purpose, the styling form is available. If you check, this plugin is actually at a $30 fee. I have given you an instruction that you can go ahead and download it for free with a license. Say thank you. Understood? So now understand this part. You will create a beautiful looking blog and you will set it up. Now, as I said, check YouTube for the best tutorials around Ninja form to set up a nice, a good looking layout so that your contact page should appear nicely. Okay. So you're done with post, you're done with pages, you are done with plugins, you're done with settings, you're left with appearance. Now remember one more thing. What I have done to install Ninja form? Plugins. For everything what we have in life, plugins. Plugins can really help you to do wonders with your simple blog. If from here I want to send emails automatically to my person, my reader or my customer, that can also happen with the help of plugin. To one level free and after that paid. Why one level free? Because they only allow to around 2,000 subscribers when you're a startup using their service for free. Give me 1 second. Okay, the last discussion is about appearance. At the moment, what is the appearance of this particular website? Look at it. Content system. This is the current appearance. This is by default WordPress look. I don't like this. What I'll do, I'll go here, appearance, themes. First and foremost, delete all the unused items from the WordPress site because you will have only 10 GB space as a beginner. So 10 GB is enough for the first 2-3 years. But if you will use extra things, those are not required. You are anyways wasting your space. Don't do that. Depending upon what you like food blog, you like health blog, you like gym, you like whatever, search for it, you will have layouts. Okay, just install a layout like that will appear with you. You like travel, write travel. You want to open an e-commerce store, write e-commerce. Pre-designed things are available here. You want to go ahead and sell online courses, write online courses. Once you will install this, you will have complete layout in front of you. So I personally use GeneratePress. GeneratePress is actually a plugin, sorry, a theme that is very light, good, and recommended by most of the bloggers. Once GeneratePress is added, activated, delete this 2023. After this, go to customize. Premium modules available. If you check your LMS, I've given you guys premium tool for GeneratePress. Install plugin. Add new. You already have this in your LMS. In my case, I'm going to upload GeneratePress, GP Premium, zip, install. Activated. Now come back, appearance, customize. And this you have to do all by your own. Why? Because you will create your own logo. This, can you see W? This is site icon. So add an icon here. Let me add my image just for now. Crop. And now you will see this appears. Create a logo and upload it. Publish. Select layout for your website. You want a container layout, or you want separator layout, do it live. See what kind of changes are happening. Do it. Color schemes, change that here. Global color scheme, if you want to keep it red, go red. If you want to keep it white, whatever it is, go ahead. General settings, check that. In general settings, you don't have to add anything. For typography, if you would like to use any kind of a special font, Times New Roman, something, use, okay. Choice is yours. Delete. Appearance clear, sorry, themes clear, customization clear. Talk about widgets. After adding a new theme, I've got this 1, 2, 3. So here I have blogs. These are widgets 1, 2, 3. These are menus. On this top area, widget. This bottom area is again widget. Pay attention. Delete, delete, delete. Refresh and see this is gone. And I now want to add something better. So I'll go here, plugins, add new. What plugin I want? I want, let's say, Instagram widget. I want my Instagram page to be visible on my blog because I run a travel blog. Example, Smash Balloon social photo feed. This I'll add because it has 1 million active installation. It is one sign that 1 million active installation with 5-star rating is the right thing that you should go ahead and install. Here you have to set up your settings. You have to link your Instagram that I'm not going to do. Why will I give my Instagram details to these people for now? Because it's just for the learning purpose. I'm not doing it live. So I will be back to the page settings. You can do it. It's safe. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry that your site or account will get hacked. If you have noticed, when I started, I had very limited things here. Now, because I've installed many new things, right? This page is almost full. So it goes like this only. Come back and appearance widgets. Now here you will add, let's say, right side bar, widget for Instagram. Follow us, save, refresh, and you will have Instagram here. So right now I don't have, I'm not able to fetch any information. Otherwise, follow us on Instagram will appear here. Understood? Let's say you would like to go ahead and add your contact form as well. Where? Contact me. Display title. Okay. Now refresh. Are you clear? Everyone able to relate? You would like to go ahead and also add your social media or whatever. Now, not just there. Let's say on the top, you have published a book and you would like to highlight that. So what we will do, text, let's say top bar, add top bar text, buy my book. Where? Amazon. Example. And the book URL is something. Amazon. Okay. And link it to .com, something like this. Save. Refresh. Now you will be able to see that highlight for buy. So it is not appearing because buy my book, Amazon. By the way, there is one HTML code for center align. Just a second. So Just a second, and then. One second, one second, one second, one second. This will be removed. This will be removed. This will be added. Okay. Nice. Okay. So doc type HTML close. Here. Save. Okay, there I guess we would need a help for a developer because there are no option for center alignment. And I did from my side the best I can. Anyways, this is not centrally aligned, but we should assign this. Add inline style. Ravi, not able to do it. It's okay. I'll ask my developer. If anybody need a help, you can connect with my development team. Anyways, so delete this part. Anyways, otherwise this will look. Buy my book and aligned, and you're done. Am I clear? So like this, you have footer, you have top area, you can set this account, footer, WordPress, right, center, and all that. Thank you, Ravi. However, let's not focus on the alignment part. Though the short code you've given, I mean the HTML code, thanks for that. Everybody, is this clear? Quick yes. Now the point is that so many things are possible. Let's say you would like to add another plugin. So all such functionalities are there in the form of plugins. You want WordPress to add, WhatsApp to add, go to plugin, add WhatsApp plugin. You would like to add chat, WhatsApp. You would like to add online video conferencing. So there must be tools around that. I mean, you think about anything, there is a possibility you'll be able to go ahead and connect with that. So all of these things that I'm talking about right now, I repeat, all of these things that we're talking about right now are possible with the help of this particular tool. Okay, clear? Now let's talk about the last part and then we are done. You guys can ask questions after that. So I have created category pages. I have not created product pages or anything right now. So what I'll do, I will add my contact us page and I will add my categories in this particular menu section. So I will have this page first and foremost, artificial intelligence, content writing, data, digital finance, and all. Create as a menu. I will name my menu as header menu, means top menu of my website, as my primary section menu, and save your website. Now, the best part is that you will have all of these things here. Something very neat, clean, and everything. What if I have, just hypothetically, okay, in plugins, what if I have my WhatsApp here, my customer support decks here, let's say WhatsApp. If I have my WhatsApp also activated, the website will look very, very, click to chat. Here you have to customize. Other settings. WhatsApp is also there now, but you have to set up this account with your WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number random. What is random number? PRO. Pre-filled message. You can also add that. WhatsApp us. Style, position, fixed. Bottom, right. You can do it on left as well if you want. Save. All such settings. And I mean, overall, you can do a lot of functionality with your website. Okay. Now come back to the last part of menu. See, in some cases, let's say you have, you can add limited things here and you would like to create sub menus. So assume this, that job guarantee is one category. Hashtag you will write here, and then you will write job, GURANT, guaranteed courses. Add to menu. Job guaranteed courses. Now you want your readers to read this. Data science is your job guarantee course. This is your job guarantee course. And maybe finance is not. These are your two job guarantee courses. Save. Now you will observe that data science and this is now part of menu under this. But one bad part is this is also clickable, job guarantee word. So what we will do, we will remove hashtag and save this again. And we will refresh. So now you will observe data science is not a clickable item. Only the, sorry, job guarantee is not a clickable item. Data science and digital marketing is. And depending upon if somebody will click on the URL, they'll be able to check overall thing. But if somebody will read about just digital marketing, will get only digital marketing related content. So I have not done anything in content writing. Nothing will appear here. Nice, right? Then this is one kind of a menu. So this is the last part. I'm just going a little on the advanced side. Then again, there are, if you have noticed, IM skills, when you enrolled here at IM skills, our menu was different. It is now different, right? Do you remember this menu thing? We've added so many new things here. Right? So pay attention. If you would like to add, again, there is a plugin. So what you have to do, go to plugins, add new. You have to check a tutorial around it. Let's say mega menu. So any good looking menu, if you would like to add, what do you have to add? Max mega menu. These are all types of new menu you can simply add and create a good looking menu for your website. Customize it. Understood? Clear? So this is WordPress. I am done. You ask questions now. Yes, Iman, definitely. So many things they've done. Your time to ask questions. I will remain online for the next 11 minutes. Sharp. Is website structure a part of SEO? Structure helps overall, Ravi. If the website structure is not appropriate, yes, it impacts a lot on the SEO thing. And then technical SEO is something that you must know. I touch a little bit of technical SEO, but the advanced level of learning, if you wish to do, please connect with me. I'll guide you what are the best options I have for you. Do we need a paid version of a blog? No, you'll get a job without it. Can we get help while building our own website? Yes, you can let us know what exactly do you need. So the 10 GB limit is for one article. Afrain in 10 GB, you can submit more than 1000 articles. Is Wix the same as WordPress? No. And don't go for Wix. In LMS, all plugins are free. Recheck that. There are pro and free, both the things mentioned. Can you reshare the link from the beginning because I was having connection issue? What link? Can we get the recording of today's session? You will get it. Let it get processed. YouTube, which YouTube link? I will send you, I will share with you the recording plus Baidahi, the chat. Okay, so that you can find all the URLs as well in that chat. I wanted to create my website. Can I get the guidance? This is what we have done, Rubina. You go ahead, start with it, come back with the hurdles. What should we start from upgrading our WordPress? Should we start from upgrading our WordPress accounts? No. Follow the process, buy name, host, and build a fresh new website. While opening a domain, which is better? .com is better, .in. If you're only targeting India, .in is okay, but .com is always universal. It is better. Should we start with Blogger or WordPress? Up to you. I have no problem. I always suggest on going ahead with the paid blog. It's good. But again, have patience. It takes time to scale things up. I had a WordPress account long time ago. Can I delete the old post? You can, and you can submit by following the new guidelines given by us and submit the same with your new article, blog, live blog. But at least wait for 21 days so that Google can de-index those articles. Do we need to follow the same heading format for all the articles we are going to publish? Yes. What is our task for this week, sir? Just to write the content. And depending upon the batches you are from, you will get an email. I had a free domain and WordPress account, and it's not opening now. Can I get backup? No, Payal. You need to check with the company through which you've got this free domain name. So do we have to purchase WordPress? Sheetal, WordPress is given with the hosting. You don't have to purchase WordPress. You have to buy WordPress hosting. Software is free. Hosting is paid. I need to discuss something. I WhatsApped you 4 days before. Can we arrange a phone call? Rubina, I typically never miss anyone's messages. Not sure what happened in your case. Just reply me there on WhatsApp. I'll read and reply you back, but not today. The call part. Which is the best hosting service for beginners? Hostinger is okay. Bluehost is okay. What do you suggest for selecting entertainment industry as our niche? What's your suggestion on selecting? Up to you. Typically, there are so many entertainment blogs. Up to you, honestly. I had created a free WordPress account and it is linked with email address I'm using currently. Will I be able to lead that and start with a new with the same email ID? Of course, Sanmita. In fact, with one email ID, you can create 1 lakh WordPress accounts. That's not a problem. Paid one, not free one. Can we get a general domain name and write whatever we like? Please advise. No. Niche is important. The beauty is that out of 100 questions so far asked, since we have ended the session, hardly 3 are around WordPress. Rest all are around questions that I personally feel should not be around in this particular class. It's out of the topic, but is SSL certificate required? Don't worry, I'll get you one for free. It is required. So should our blog have only one type of content to scale up quickly? I want to write on different topics on my WordPress, lifestyle article, creative writing like poem and short stories. No, you are wrong in that case. If it is creative writing article, just write about creative articles. That's it. if it is about something, just make sure that you are within the niche and you're not, just going here and there in the niche that you have. Someone is at the door. May I leave the meeting? Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Take care. Seems like we are all done. 16th October, people. Please remember, you will receive your first keyword and all the details by tomorrow morning. You have time to fill out that application form. Rest, you all should be aware that your internship manager, Bhavna, is on off. She'll be back by tomorrow or day after. And then you can start expecting your replies for the articles you've submitted so far. Ganavi, no, nothing will affect. You can continue. Can I have different blog for another niche? Yes, you can. Is there a way to select the best appealing domain name? Simply go ahead, find the names and book it the moment. And don't ever think that should I buy, should I don't buy. Go ahead and buy. Try to buy a name that's short in version, let's say 12 maximum characters, 10 to 12. Don't go beyond that. Kirti, I said it, I'll release. Same words again. I think you were missing in the class that I hosted at around 11. What word limit, Mayank? It was all created. You will again get an email. If you have missed a class, then wait. You should go ahead and check the recording. Mayank, were you missing in the session that we have done at 11 a.m. today? The first batch for 19th October students. Were you there, Mayank, in that session? Then Mayank, you should be aware about it. 3000 is by default. Anyone in this group who's not aware about it, that 3000 is not our standard format to write? Everyone, right? Take care then, guys. See you all soon. And you have a great time. You will start with either free or paid. That's your choice. But remember, in the end of the day, writing is important. Start with publishing a lot of content. Even, you can start with, let's say, the experiences that you had here. You'll be able to observe that you have started attracting people, readers. So that is the most important part. Okay. Kirti, sir, now we have not to send article info@imskills.com. Okay, Kirti, can you please explain me that? Let me unmute you. This is important. One second, Kirti. I'm trying to unmute you, but you are not getting unmuted. Can you just try to unmute yourself, Kirti? Kirti Sharma. एक बार unmute तो करो आप अपने आप को. Just unmute yourself. Kirti.
I think her question is now whether we should send it to the article. to info.iam mail, or we should put our article in new WordPress site?
Admin, I want her to answer this. Can you please mute yourself for a few minutes, please? Kirti, unmute yourself, please. Talk to me. It's okay. I'm your coach and friend too. Anyways, I am assuming that she started as 16th October, today's batch, right? I've given homework, fill out application form. Tomorrow, you all will receive a welcome email at 10 a.m. The last minute 5 words I said, I will also send an email that will explain about each and everything. You have a deadline for 10 a.m. After this, I have sent one email. This also says fill out this form. And I'm assuming if I will forward an email that will contain each and everything, and intro with your internship managers, right? Everything, such types of questions, those you ask. As I said, again, let me repeat. One, it wastes a lot of time. Second thing, you are not listening to your faculties at all. Third thing, you're always in doubt. I said these words 30 minutes ago, or maybe 1 hour ago. I remember those words. If you're still unclear, I understand. Walk through with the recording after. Wait for my email after that. Once that email is there, then you have any questions, reach out to me. You have phone number, direct phone number of the faculty, and tell me whenever you have called, when I have not answered that call. In the history, there are 3 batches people live with me on this particular chat or in this particular session with me. Anyone in this group have a complaint that IM Skills team, after taking the money, they haven't answered, they have not taken care of us, they have not replied? Anybody? Openly, I'm telling you this. Anyone? The most important part is understanding. Now, Shivani, I said it 3 times, either by Monday or by Tuesday, your results will be out. So when we waste timings like this, believe me, time is important. So this is actually, I'm just trying to create for you. Your client is reaching out to you and you're asking such questions. Forget everything. I'm not talking to you like your friend. I'm not talking to you like your coach, and I'm not even trying to tell you that you're bad at this or you're good at this. This is the place where you have to show your maturity, that how active you are. Your client reached out to you, asked you for something, and you've asked a question that was obvious to answer, or something that needs to be, let's say, not answered by somebody. I mean, it was clear. I don't have a specific situation for me. Maybe somebody have said that I am into automobiles and a question around something that. So my important thing that you should know. Okay, so always remember one thing, that we, or forget we, I'm only talking about myself if I'm your coach now. I am there and I know my job, and I promise you that you are not going to regret that you have taken this course. You just have to write the part, and rest I'll cover everything. Okay, just listen to me every time whenever I say something. Don't ask me to repeat 7 times the same thing. Trust me, that's at times frustrating. At times, not every time, but at times. One more question. Please share us your opinion in setting up a niche for beginner. I'm serious, have no idea. Afreen, in your case, I would recommend wait for some time. Afreen, wait for some time. Because if I'll tell you my niche, that's my area of interest, not yours. Don't go with that. Always try to identify what's that topic that I can write about. Okay, so Kirti, it was not specifically for you. After you, Shivani was also there. Asked me the 3rd time this question, when will our results will be announced? I answered that, right? 3 times. So it was not specifically for you. I was just trying to tell you that listen to me every time. I don't have to repeat one thing 3, 4, 5 times. Understood? Clear? So it's time. Let's say goodbye. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you. Amarveer says, can I use Medium? I'll tell you what, if you will grow, a competitor will complain with an email ID named as myfriends@medium.com. And without informing you, Amarveer, Medium will delete your account. Happened with us through our competitor. Then we did the same for our competitor. And then we realized, okay, just think about it. Medium is so powerful. Why these companies like us, Upgrad, Simply Learn, none of us are writing there at Medium? Just think about it once. Don't we have people who can write for us? Can't we create our accounts there? Because you are giving your own power in someone else's hand. Your driving seat control is, car is yours, and your driving seat control access is with the other person. What if you're growing, the person complained, and then you lost everything? All the years of hard work gone, zero. Simple message. The best way is spend 500. Amarveer, spend 500, establish your blog. You're not going to regret, believe me, never. Chalo, everybody, take care. Thank you. You have a great time. For any help, reach out. Let me share the details. Okay. Bye.